Hi all, welcome to our channel. All the things I will be using will be mentioned in description box. So I have taken one white vase, one indigo ink and a turquoise ink and gold. We will also need isopropyl alcohol 99%. I am adding indigo blue and with the help of isopropyl alcohol I am blending it, and by rolling I am ensuring that it gets in all the direction. So keep on rolling the vase to get the color in bottom section as well. Here I have added indigo blue, and similarly I am ensuring to roll the vase to get the color in every direction. So I kept the vase to dry for 10-15 minutes and then I applied the gold ink in few parts to add interest to the vase. I kept the vase to dry for 24 hours and this is how it looks after drying. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.